Possessive pronouns. Possessive pronoun indicate to owner of nouns or pronouns. I, mine, we, ours, you, yours, he, his, she, hers, they, theirs. The difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. Possessive adjective come before the noun and expresses ownership. Example, my book. Book is noun. My is possessive adjective. My book. My before the noun. This is my pen. Pen is noun. My is possessive adjective. My comes before the noun, before the pen. Our book. Our is possessive adjective. Book is noun. Our comes before the book. Our book. But the possessive pronoun replaces the possessive noun and adjective and conveys the concept of property. Example, this book is mine. This book is hers. English possessive pronouns are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, theirs. English possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, are, your, their. Example, possessive pronouns for I and mine. Whose book is this? Whose book is this? It's mine. It's mine. Mine is possessive pronouns. Example, he and his. Whose book is this? It's his. His is possessive pronouns. Example, she and hers. Whose book is this? Whose book is this? It's hers. Hers is possessive pronouns. Example, we and ours. We and ours. Whose book is this? Whose book is this? It's ours. Ours is possessive. Example, whose book is death? Comment answer for me. Comment answer for me. They possessive pronouns is comment.